Hello viewers. Today we are going to talk about the stock Ujjivan Financial Services Limited. On 30th of October 2021, the board of directors of Ujjivan Small Finance Bank in their meeting has approved the scheme of merger between Ujjivan Financial Services Limited, hereby termed as Transferor Company, and Ujjivan Small Finance Bank Limited, here termed as Transferee Company. This scheme will be conditional and subject to the following: the approval of the RBI, the approval of the SEBI, the no objection certificate from BSE and NSE, the requisite majority of each class of members or creditors wherever it is applicable of the transferor and the transferee company, and the NCLT order. As on June 30th, 2021, here are the details of the total assets, turnover and net worth are visible on my screen. As you can see, the net worth of Ujjivan Financial Services Limited is 1771 crore, while the net worth of Ujjivan Small Finance Bank Limited is 2987 crore. This merger will fall within the related party transaction as mentioned by the company. The transferor company is registered as NBFC, while the transferee company is registered with the RBI as a small finance bank. What is the rationale of the merger? If we go with the virtue of the license issued by the RBI to operate the small finance bank in India on November 11, 2016, the following conditions with respect to the promoter contribution were required to be adhered. The first condition was the promoter's minimum initial contribution of the paid-up equity capital of a small finance bank should be at least 40%, which will be locked in for a period of 5 years from the date of commencement of the small financial bank. And the second condition was if the promoter initial shareholding in a small finance bank was in excess of 40%, then the same has to be brought down to 40% within a period of 5 years. This merger will be helpful for both the company in following manner. First of all, it will create a larger and the stronger entity with a greater capacity, which will be able to conduct their operation more efficiently and competitively. This amalgamation will avoid operational insufficiency of the group, and after the amalgamation, the combined listed entity will be entirely held by the public shareholders. So it will be managed by thoroughly independent professional with no promoter in control. It will be in better administration and cost reduction, including reduction in administration, legal, and the public shareholder of the transferor company will get benefit by directly holding share in the transferee company, and thus they will derive value from the business of the transferee company directly. If I talk about the share exchange ratio, the transferee company will allot on record date 115 shares for every 10 shares held by the shareholder in the transferor company. And after becoming the scheme effective, the transferor company would stand dissolved without being wind up. Thus, there will be an increase in shareholding of the public shareholder of the transferee company from current 16.68% to 100%. If I talk about the mathematics, as on 9th of Jan 2022, the current market price of Ujjivan Financial Services is rupees 143 with a market cap of 1742 crore, while the current market price of Ujjivan Small Finance Bank Limited is 21 rupee 35 paisa with a market cap of 3690 crore. The parent company Ujjivan Financial Services Limited holds 83.32% shares of Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. Going forward, Ujjivan Financial Holding is worth of 3074 crore. However, the market cap is only 1742 crore. So theoretically, there is a potential upside of 76 6% if the reverse merger is executed successfully, because the holding company discount will vanish. The current investment thesis based on my previous statement clearly illustrate that with improving microfinance scenario and if the reverse merger arbitrage goes successfully, this will be a good investment opportunity. While if the gross NPA numbers go further and the reverse merger does not happen, and if there is a run on the bank, like depositor starts withdrawing their money, the investor may lose their money here. Based on the current investment thesis, if December 21 and March 22 quarter results are good and still the bank stock price does not move up with those good quarterly results, one should think about selling the shares. Such kind of schemes generally takes 12 to 15 months to get executed. Guys, I have a humble submission to all my viewers that this video is only for education and information sharing purpose. Please do not consider this as a buy or sell recommendation. Thank you, viewers.